So, hi Miss, I'm Kalina Pepito, and what are your expectations for this subject? So, first is teacher expectation. So, for me, I expect that the teacher to be clear in their explanation and provide guidance when needed. I hope they will be supportive and open to question, creating environment where I can feel comfortable participating in learning. So next is learning expectation. So I expect to this subject to understand the key concept, develop skills necessary to succeed in this subject. I want to I want to be able to apply what I learned to a different situation. I feel confident in my knowledge by the end of the course. Last is expected midterm and final grade. So for me, I aim to achieve at least 2.0, reflecting my understanding and effort. With the final, I hope to earn an B and to pass to this subject because it's my dream to finish this course.